Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Fiesta's Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and ensure its Bluetooth feature is activated. Then, navigate to the audio system menu on your car's display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process, so take your time with each step. Once in the audio menu, select the Add Device or Pair Phone option. Your car's system will then become discoverable. On your phone, search for available Bluetooth devices. You should see Ford Audio or Ford Sync appear. Select it, and a 6-digit PIN will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm this PIN to proceed with the connection. After successful pairing, your car might ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and messages. Granting this allows for full hands-free functionality. Test the connection by playing some audio or making a quick call. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. This often resolves minor connectivity glitches. Your Ford Fiesta system can typically store up to 8 different Bluetooth devices. If you reach this limit, you might need to delete older, unused devices to add new ones. To disconnect, simply go to the Bluetooth menu on your car's display and select Disconnect or turn off Bluetooth on your phone. This helps manage your connections efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.